This is Digital Products Holiday Deep Dive episode number 2. This is a video in continuation of one of my previous videos that I did a few days earlier called 7 Christmas Digital Products and 2 Niches that you should avoid this holiday season. And today we are taking a look at Christmas cards and all the kinds of Christmas and holiday cards that are available today on the Etsy platform. This way we can see what is currently selling. Maybe we can identify some sub-niches in the cards realm. And just in general, we will have a great idea of what is going on at the moment, and maybe we can create a few designs late October, early November, and we will put them on Etsy so that we can make some extra money before the year is over. And before we get started, the waitlist link for my course Passive Income with Printables is down in the description box. You can sign up there to be the first one to find out when the course is launching. It will not take long. I really hope to launch it early next month. But to be among the first people who will know it, please sign up on the waitlist. And without any further ado, let's take a look at the Christmas cards on the Etsy platform. Compared to the tags, we have quite more listings. We have 689,000 options here. So here, in my opinion, is necessary to go for a sub-niche. But we will take a look at the first page and see the styles that are currently trending. I just wrote in Christmas card without any other words. Long tail keywords in this niche I think will be very crucial. But just let's see what is trending at the moment. Let's open a few that I think are very cute. So let's start with this one. This has also kind of a vintage feel, and I believe this is the same seller than with the Christmas tags in the previous video because the listing video is quite similar. If you haven't seen that video where I do a deep dive into Christmas tags, there will be a link in the cards above and in the description down below. Yes, but these are very nice looking. These are printable files, but the seller took the energy and the effort to print them out, cut, glue them, and create a cute listing video like this one. It's not a big deal. I am guessing it was made on a phone. This is a great example that you don't need fancy cameras and fancy equipment to create listing videos. Okay, the next theme that I see popping up all over again are family photos. Well, in Eastern Europe, this is not a thing. In recent years, people started doing Christmas photo shoots, but we don't send family members Christmas cards with our photos on them. So this here would not work, but in the United States and in other countries where this is a tradition, these kind of templates would sell really well in my opinion. Let's see, what do we have here? This is a Canva and the Photoshop template. It is very good that they included both formats because Canva can be used by people who don't know how to use Photoshop because it's a free online resource. They don't have to upgrade for the pro version. And the Photoshop version will be good for the photographers who take these photos, and they can create these layouts for their clients, and they can just post it on social media and send it to their friends and family in the mail. So it is really good that they have both formats included. Okay, I cannot pass some cute hand-drawn clip art, or I believe in this case it was drawn on a tablet, but it is very cute. And this is a very good example of a sub-niche, and that would be cats. And as you can see, you can combine Christmas with cats, dogs, not just animals, but with occupations as well, like doctors, nurses, engineers, anything that you can imagine. You can combine these topics and you can create digital products around them. These cards are very cute. They are geared towards people who have and love cats. I chose these because they are a different style, but anyways they look very good. Let's see the listing video. What did they do here? Not much. It's not captivating. I checked out the first few seconds, but it's not captivating, and I would not click on the item based on this video. But now that the slides started coming in, it's much better. They should have started with the slides and then put the text at the end. This is another cute one with the hand-painted clip art set and a few very simple mock-ups. They look very cool and I really like this design. It's right up my alley, so yeah. By this time, if you are a regular watcher, you know that I like this style a lot. That was it for today's deep dive. I am sure that we can go on and on and on regarding this topic. I wanted to talk about some different styles and some different options that you have regarding the Christmas cards. In my previous video with the 7 Christmas digital products, I mentioned that cards are quite oversaturated, and as you saw, there were more than 500,000 options. So in this niche, you have to be very creative and very unique to stand out. And also you need very good Etsy SEO skills. But it is not impossible if you find a very good sub-niche. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, consider subscribing to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video in which I talk about digital products, making money online, and business finance. And also don't forget to sign up on the waitlist. See you in the next one. Bye bye!